the main question of potential area statement. I just want to know the figure, if you have it.
Honorable Minister, I think if you peruse that second portion of the draft bill, you will notice that civil partnerships were created in that draft bill solely for purposes of distribution of the assets of the people involved in that union when they move, when they go their separate ways. The partnership relates to property. It does not relate to status, like the status of married persons. The partnership does not concern itself with the nature of the relationship in which they are. It's not recognized, not a marriage. But it was merely out of considerations of fairness that it was felt that when these people move apart, the one who is more economically empowered should not use their economic empowerment to the detriment of the other party. Let a court decide who should have what. That was the sole purpose of referring to that as a civil partnership. But as the Honorable Minister has already pointed out, it seems this is being misunderstood as a recognition that this is some form of a marriage, this is an affront to our cultural values, which is indeed correct. Culturally, we do not approve, let alone recognize, people who live together without being married, where no lobola is being paid. In terms of our Christian values, we also don't approve of people living in that fashion. And like the Minister has pointed out, Cabinet has looked into all those other issues apart from the issue of fairness and decided that we should remove reference to civil partnerships from our legislation. Such legislation exists in other countries, but Cabinet felt that in the light of our own cultural values and our Christian values, let us remove it from the bill. And that is really all that is happening. Thank you, Minister.
Thank you. I think there has been.
For what measures the government is taking to protect the
piracy?
To deal with piracy. We have legislation in this country which protects intellectual property rights. And that legislation is in the form of the Copyright Act and the Patents and Trademarks Act. That legislation makes it a criminal offense to violate intellectual property rights belonging to another person. And there are also civil remedies available to any performer whose intellectual property rights are violated. What may be an issue is the issue of enforcement by the law enforcement agencies in the country to ensure that there's no distribution of pirated material. But the law is very clear, the law is there. It is a criminal offense to produce or distribute pirated material. So, as a country, I think we are in line with other countries internationally in seeking to protect the rights of artists and performers.
And the last question.
I indicated earlier that marriage creates a status in a person. When two people meet and get married, their status in law changes. They have a new status, that of married people. And that status comes with certain rights and obligations, which the parties to that marriage can enforce against each other and against the world as a whole. Now, when two people just move and live together, The rights they have are the rights they have as individuals. The living together does not confer any additional rights upon them. So, a person who enters into such an arrangement and is thereafter left by the other party can only enforce such rights as they have as individuals, because they have not acquired any additional rights by entering into that arrangement. So there is nothing that the authorities or the state can do to protect them from what I may term to be, the deliberateness of their own actions. They are aware of what they're doing. They are aware of how those types of relationships are viewed by society, and that the law does not recognize them. So people should not cry foul and say that they are not being protected, because there are virtually no additional right to protect except the right they've always had as individuals in terms of our constitution.
There we go. And thank you. And thank you once again.
To our media partners.
Yeah.
Commercial arrangement.